Oops, wiggles. Silva. Hey, Silva. Come here. Come say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
No, to you.
Oh.
Happy birthday to Silva.
Happy birthday to Mama.
No, happy birthday to Silva.
No, happy birthday to Mama.
How old are you today, Silva?
3.
3. Do you know how to stick 3 fingers up in the air to show people? Well, that's a lot of fingers. Here, let me show the camera how many fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're not 5. I'm glad you're not 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? I count my fingers.
You did count your fingers.
Then my 1 finger.
That's your 1 finger. Yep. Where's your 2 finger? You want me to show you on my hand? Like this.
Look.
And yeah, and look, see this one right here has 3 fingers. You did it.
Yes. Well.
Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
You silly girl.
Happy birthday to you.
To Silva.
No, to Mama.
I love you, Silva.
How about you too?